All right, let's look at number 2 on 1.5. So here we're being asked to solve for a, and I have an equation with a bunch of fractions. So a good strategy is to simplify by just maybe trying to clear the fractions. Let's see how we do there. Okay, so look at all the denominators, and the common denominator would be a times b. Okay, now I'm going to multiply that by both sides of the equation, and when I do that, so if I multiplied this side by AB and this side by AB, since I'm taking and multiplying that by a fraction, I want to make sure that that's in a numerator position. And then also notice that I would distribute it to both terms on the right side. Okay, so that basically just means that we're multiplying AB over 1 times everything. Okay, and so then our, you see that our B's would cancel here, our A's would cancel, and then go ahead and distribute what's left. So then we're going to have an expression or equation with no fractions. Yay, okay, so that makes our life a little easier. Okay, keeping our goal in mind, we're supposed to solve for A. So I want to get everything that has an A to the left side. Okay, I notice that if I subtract a squared from both sides, those just cancel, and then I'm going to add 4a to both sides. So that would give me 8a is equal to b squared plus 4b, and then we'll just divide through by 8, and we are done. Okay, so we could have our equation written like this, just b squared plus 4b all over 8, or we could factor out the b and then write it, instead of all divided by 8, that's the same thing as multiplying by 1/8. So either of those are perfectly valid ways of showing that answer.